What's up guys, in this video today, I am going to show you the top 5 best portable remote control tower fan in 2023. A tower fan is an excellent choice anytime you have limited space, as their tall, slim build means they fit easily into tight spaces. Tower fans also tend to be quieter than other fans, helping you get a cool and comfortable night's sleep without any disturbance. Plus, they are designed for use over long periods of time, often with customizable features such as programmable timers, multiple speed settings, and auto shut-off functions. I've made this list based on maximum range, safety features, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video.
Due to their slender design, tower fans have a narrow range of airflow. In order to expand the range of air movement, they oscillate. You experience this airflow for only seconds at a time. The result is a momentary cooling effect that fails to properly circulate all the air in the room. Using an innovative airflow method called V-flow circulation, Vornado's tower circulator is designed to create a wide span of constant airflow. By moving a high volume of air continuously throughout the room, V-flow creates true whole room circulation that keeps the entire room feeling cool and comfortable. With intuitive controls, quiet operation, and a 5-year warranty, this tower is very much a Vornado. Don't oscillate, circulate. The Tower Circulator, only from Vornado, leaders in airflow technology.
The Dreo 36-inch Nomad 1 Tower Fan is a sleek and smart way to cool your home. This bladeless fan adapts a unique air duct design with fluid mechanics to minimize noise while keeping you cool. The Dreo Nomad 1 Tower Fan's 90 degree of oscillation provides additional coverage over a traditional fan for quicker cooling and wider air circulation within the room. 4 modes plus 4 fan speeds allow customizing different comfortable air settings up to 24 feet per second. By using the convenient wireless remote, you can easily set the fan to sleep mode as well as set a timer. Enjoy all-day serenity and comfort thanks to the quiet, algorithmic impeller design. The ambient intelligence of the Nomad 1 allows for a hands-free adjustment of fan speed as it adapts to room temperature. The Dreo 36-inch Nomad 1 Tower Fan is the perfect, quiet, powerful, cooling solution for the office, bedroom, or any space in your home.
The Wind Curve Tower Fan with nighttime setting from Lasko is perfect for any hot day or night. With its sophisticated profile and space-saving design, this tower fan will blend seamlessly into any room of your home. You can set the fan to automatically turn off after a period of time between 30 minutes and up to 7.5 hours with the electronic timer option. Plus, it has a convenient nighttime feature that automatically decreases fan speed and dims controls for overnight use. The high-reaching tower design and widespread oscillation means the Wind Curve Tower Fan will provide maximum air delivery and full room coverage. Features include 3 quiet speeds, a remote, Lasko's Blue Plug patented safety fuse technology to prevent potential safety hazards, and a built-in handle to easily carry from room to room. Control the comfort of any room in your home, anytime, with the Wind Curve Tower Fan with nighttime setting from Lasko.